In this video, I'll show you how to manage Facebook posts in Meta Business Suite step by step. Meta Business Suite makes it easy to create, schedule, edit, publish, and monitor posts for your Facebook page from one place. To get started, open the Meta Business Suite app or sign in to your Meta Business Suite account using the Facebook account that manages your page. Once you're on the dashboard, select the Facebook page you want to manage if you have access to multiple pages. Next, tap the Content or Planner section to view your published, scheduled, and draft posts. From here, you can create a new post by tapping Create Post, or select an existing post to edit, reschedule, or delete it, depending on its status. You can also use the scheduling feature to plan posts in advance and keep your page active. To review how your content is performing, open the Insights section to see metrics such as reach, engagement, reactions, comments, and shares. These analytics can help you understand which posts perform best and improve your future content strategy. After making any changes, save your updates or publish your post when you're ready. Regularly managing your content through Meta Business Suite helps keep your Facebook page organized and makes it easier to maintain a consistent posting schedule. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.